Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a very elegant looking theme which is named as the SaaS X, or we can say the SaaS 10, which is one of the most elegant and modern customizable SaaS or Business WordPress theme. I would rather suggest you, if you're going for a business website, this theme is for you only on. It will cost you around $59 or something like that. And if you're not sure that this theme is for you, you can just get a GPL version for like $5 and try and test it out. Let me show you what kind of demo these guys provide. If you go to demo section in SaaS 1, this will provide you the amazing looking demo, which is something like this, which is quite of a big deal, right? Many themes does not provide some good looking demos. This is one of the best theme. I would rather suggest you for your business purpose or marketing or like software purpose if you're developing a software out there, right? So let's see how we can get this theme for affordable price. I would rather go to GPL version on our website. It will cost you around $5, right? Click on download now, and the download process will start automatically within a couple of seconds. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download again. I will cancel it. So our next step is to install this theme on our WordPress website. Let me come back to our website. Here is my website, fresh and fine, installed on localhost. We are going to install that theme in this website, right? So if you don't know how to log into your website, you just need to type wp admin just after your URL and hit enter, right? Once you're logged in, they will ask you for a user ID password which you have entered while you were installing your WordPress website, right? So once you're logged in, you will be seeing some kind of similar interface in front of you, right? This is called the dashboard or the back end of a WordPress website. On the left hand side, you will see multiple things like post, media, pages, comment, plugins, username. Everything has their own use. We will not see multiple things right now. We will just see appearance, and under the appearance hood we need to go on the themes, right? So here is the theme, the SaaS. I will just tell you how you can upload and install this theme. Click on add new, and here you can see there are multiple free themes available which has been provided by WordPress by default. Let me explain you what are the major difference between free theme and paid theme. Free theme consists of very low functionalities and their conversion rates are pretty low as compared to paid theme, and the mobile perspective and the mobile review, or I should say responsiveness in mobile, is very low, which is one of the great aspect while you're designing a WordPress, right? So I generally prefer, if you have a good budget to invest in the initial stage, just go for a premium theme that will give you a rough edge over the SEO and everything and all that, right? So let's upload our theme. Click on upload, select the file, and my file was within this folder, right? I just have to upload it, and right, you just need to click on install and the install process will start automatically. It's showing failed because I have already uploaded the file. As you can see here, I just need to activate the file. Okay, activation has been completed. So now it is recommending us to install some plugin. Right now it is allowing us to install only one plugin. I guess only Elementor is used for this particular theme. So this is what a theme suggests you. A theme always suggests you to install some certain plugins because a theme consists of multiple functionalities, and to run those functionalities, plugins are necessary. So we will just install this plugin, no issues in that. I have already installed it. I just need to activate it. So let's see how our website looks right now. It's pretty simple, it's pretty basic, no hassle at all, right? So now we have to upload a demo content on it, right? So to upload a demo content, we need to add a plugin as well. Okay, come here on the left hand side, plugin, and go to add new plugin. We are going to upload a demo content importer, or I can just upload that plugin. I already have that plugin if I'm not wrong. Let's just search mm, import. Let's search this. There was a plugin if I'm not wrong. Yes, we have to install this plugin, one click demo importer. Click on install, and this totally depend upon your internet speed. The installation process takes some time, not that much, but As you can see, it has been installed. We need to just activate it, and with the help of this plugin we will be able to install a demo on our website. As you can see, activation process has been completed. The plugin has been successfully installed on our theme. Let's activate, let's import a demo on it. On the left hand side you will see tools. Under the tools, not under tools, okay, under the appearance hood you will find import demo data. Click on that. Once you are here, you just need to click on this button, import demo data. I will just click on this, and it's the moment when you grab coffee and just wait for a couple of minutes, and once the import has been completed successfully, you will get a flawless looking website up and running in front of you. Let's wait for it. So as you can see, import has been completed successfully. Right now it's showing some kind of error, but there is no need to worry about it. We will just refresh this page and visit our home page, and let's see how it looks right now. We will just try to visit our website, and it is looking pretty good according to me, right? Isn't it? You will get a basic elegant looking header file and a very good looking hero section, which is quite a bit of animation, if you can see this. And if you scroll down, you will see multiple landing pages. If you click on any kind of landing page, you will be redirected to that kind of landing page. Let me click on this. Okay, and let me show you the about page and blogs pages, how it works. There are literally all pages has been imported properly. And blog section, this is not good. Pricing, let me show you pricing section. You can see everything is very minimal and very optimized. Let me show you that this website is also mobile responsive, which is one of the great perspective when it comes to mobile or website designing, isn't that? So I want to wrap this video up. Before wrapping up, I want to say that if you want to buy for a regular license key, you can just go to ThemeForest and buy it. And if you don't have that much of budget to invest right now, I would rather suggest you to go for a GPL theme, which will generally cost you for like $5 or $8. This theme is for $5. Or if you are running a WordPress agency company, or you are a freelancer who develop WordPress websites on a regular basis, then I would rather suggest you to go for our membership plan. With the help of membership plan, you will be able to get way more benefits of our website. Let me show you how. With the membership, you get lifetime access with only $350. That's a really great deal, because with the help of this plan, you will be able to download 5,400 items per year. And the best part about it, this website consists of almost more than 6,000 WordPress plugin and theme, which is totally nuts, right? And if you don't have that much of money to invest in the initial stage, I would rather suggest you to go for a monthly subscription that will make the work done. With the help of monthly subscription, you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is also quite of a deal, right? So with that being said, I want to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.